Welcome to Findependence Journey. This is the review of my growth stock portfolio for August 2022. I'm gonna take a look at my portfolio first and move on to how the stock market performed. The month-end balance of August is $5,285 compared with the previous month. It decreased by $109, which was down 2%. The inception to date gain since the beginning of 2021 is minus 25%. The share quantity of Tesla increased by 200%, and that's because of Tesla's 3-for-1 stock split. A stock split is good for the price increase of the stock in general because it makes it easier for everyday investors like me to own the stock. It'll be interesting to see if the price of Tesla stock goes up after the stock split. In August, I added a new holding, BTCX-U.TO. This is a Bitcoin ETF listed in Canada. Institutions started investing in Bitcoin, so its price is likely to go up in the long term. That's why I decided to accumulate a Bitcoin ETF every month. The top 3 holdings in my portfolio now are Tesla, SoFi, and US dollar cash. The market value of my portfolio has been showing high volatility for the past 6 months. From March, the monthly percentage change has been 11%, minus 17%, 16%, minus 8%, 25%, and minus 2%. It's not always an easy ride, especially the change is downward. I'm not being swayed, however, because I'm investing for a long term. The time horizon of this portfolio is 10 years, and that ends at the end of 2030. I'll be buying stocks when there is a dip in the price. I believe this long-term strategy will pay off at the end of the investment horizon. In August, most stock indexes went down. The Nasdaq 100 declined 5.2% and the S&P 500 lost 4.1%. Small cap stocks performed relatively well. The Russell 2000 only shed 2%. The stock market rallied throughout July and early August on perceived peak inflation data. Investors expected lower inflation data would lead to a pivot from the Fed's current rate hiking cycle. The summer rally ended on August 26th with Federal Reserve Chairman Powell's hawkish speech at the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. Chair Powell noted the Fed will continue to use restrictive policy for some time to tame inflation, returning it to their preferred 2% level. Therefore, I think the market sentiment will be bearish for some time. That was my portfolio review for August 2022. If you have enjoyed this video, please help this channel grow by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate your support. I also recommend checking out my other videos that may interest you. Thank you for watching.